Grandfather, bud.
What, Bubba?
Yeah.
What, Bubba?
Turn this way, bud.
Hold on, look, don't be banging it. You don't know what it is. He's a good rapper. Did you rap that stuff?
I think Grandma Dory wrapped him.
Well, that looks familiar.
What is it? Oh, is it? Hey, now Bruce has one.
You gotta take a nap tonight.
You're gonna poop your pants trying to toot that horn, bud.
Right now.
This way, bud. Turn this way. Turn this way. Woo! And you're a train conductor. That's cool, huh?
She's an alien.
Is that cool, buddy?
I really like this thing.
I really like this thing. Okay, bud. You can wear that with your cowboy boots.
Yeah.
Hey, bud. He's got to put it in his room. He's running to his room with it, babe.
Who is that? Is that Belle? Yeah, how pretty.
Who's next?
That's
Is that
baby
pretty?
It's my turn.
Hey, bud. That was from your grandfather.
I know.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Grandfather.
What, can I pick one? Thank you, Grandma.
Free one. Oh, this one?
Oh, it's so cool.
Who's that one from?
Just as easy.
Oh, well, then it's from Mommy and Daddy. Not yet, Ollie. Sit back. Oh, we got the whistle again.
Look at your babies. Look at your baby elbow. Oh. Oh, boy.
I really like this.
Cinderella.
I really liked this.
That's cool.
You really like it?
Mommy and Daddy.
That's for Bruce. That's for Bruce.
Hold on. Let's slow down, guys. Let's slow it down. Whoa, you're going to trip over the dog. It's Cinderella.
I really love this.
I know you do, bud.
She's on the couch.
I really love this thing. Put it in your room.
That's a only when mommy's around toy.
Is she pretty?
Cinderella. Cinderella.
Can you help her, Zeke?
Cinderella.